Hey guys, it's Mr. Mooley back again with another video. Today we're going to be trying Indian cuisine. Joining me today is my friend Alvin.
Hey guys, Mystic here, but you can call me Alvin. Today we're going to be eating some Indian food. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
The first thing we're going to be trying today are chicken lollipops. So they're basically chicken drumsticks. You take over. What do you rate it? I rate it out of 10, maybe a 7.5, maybe 8. I think that honestly, I like it a bit crunchy, so I rate this about a 7 because the flavor is kind of bland, but it's good overall, pretty much.
So the second thing we're going to try is potato pakuri. So it's kind of bland. You don't really taste the flavor. So I probably rate it about like a 7, 6, 5, 6 around there.
I think it's a good snack. So I maybe rate it an 8. Next we have the chicken 65. I think that's a bit dry. Maybe I think it might go with a different, with maybe a different sauce. But yeah, overall, I think it's good. I might rate it an 8.5, 8.75.
It's really flavorful than every other thing we tried from now. Yeah, it'll go really good with a really nice sauce. But I rated it around maybe a 7, 8. So now we're gonna try this beef samosa. I'm just gonna cut it because it's humongous.
Rip it.
Yeah.
Rip it.
Okay.
I think this is actually really good. It's not bad. I think so far all of these are a great snack. This one especially, like, I feel like
this one's a bit too salty. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's really good. Maybe it crumbles a bit, but it's fine. I rate this a solid 8 or 9.
I think I'd say this about like a 9.6 or something. Pretty good.
The next thing we're gonna try is chicken biryani.
First, I'm just gonna try the rice. Not bad.
That's really good.
I'm gonna try the chicken. See how it tastes. The chicken is basically, it's like normal chicken. It's really flavorful. It tastes kind of like the rice.
It has also like a teensy bit of spice. Not too much spice, just a little bit. So like everybody can handle with it, I think.
It's pretty good overall. I'm gonna rate it. So I think it would be a good lunch meal. I would rate it around 8.5, somewhere around that.
Yeah, I'm sure you could have this for one of your meals in your day. I rate it a solid 9.
So now we're gonna try this onion pakora. Yeah. So.
That's really good.
I'm not a big fan of it.
I honestly think that's this so far is one of my favorites because it has good flavors. It's not so chewy. I think it's a really good snack, or even you could have it with another meal.
I mean, it's not bad. I feel like the green chilies give it lots of flavor, and it's pretty spicy.
But for me, it's not that spicy. I think I would rate this maybe a 9.5 because I really like
I
foods
rate
like
it
this.
around like a 6.5 because I'm not a big fan of it.
Wow. Okay. The next thing we're gonna try is okra masala. And in India they call it the lady's finger. So.
Oh god, it's jumping everywhere. It's pretty good.
I really like the sauce on that.
Yeah, the sauce is pretty
But
good.
it's spicy, right?
No.
For me, since I'm not a huge fan of spice,
It's not bad.
it's a bit spicy, but I think with rice it could also taste really good. So yeah, I rate this maybe 8.5. I think it would be a great meal.
I rate this about 8.5 too. It's amazing. It's pretty good. So now we're gonna try this beef curry. Get that good look. So I'm just gonna put some on my plate. Then you have the top. So I'm just gonna try the beef first. It's really chewy.
It's a bit chewy, except I like it. I think there's not so much flavor. I can't really taste that much, but I think it's pretty good. Maybe I'd rate about maybe 7, 6.
It's not that much flavor, but it's pretty good. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna rate it a 10, solid 10 out of 10. It's really good. I like it.
Last but not least, we're going to be trying dal, in English, lentils.
So, I'm gonna start off by saying, when you first take a bite, it's not that much flavor. But then when you start to chew it, the dal kind of kicks in and it starts to show its flavor. So it's pretty good overall.
It's pretty. I like all the spices. It's not really that spicy, so it's what I like about it. But
It's not my favorite.
it's a bit chewy, a little bit. But overall, I'd rate it maybe a 7.5, 8.
I'll rate it about 6.57. I'm not that big a fan of it.
Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel. Check my friend out, Alvin, mystic.aw, link in bio. Bye! Hey guys, it's Mr. Mooley back again with another video. Today we're going to be trying England. Hey guys, it's Mooley.
Hey guys.
The first thing we're going to be trying today is chicken lollipop.
They're chicken drumsticks.
So the next thing we're going to be trying is potato curry.
I'm supposed to show it.
Yeah.